We brought a bunch of different products to the Aircraft Electronics Association, AEA, 67th annual convention here in Dallas. They range from the displays that we offer for general aviation through the ADS-B devices, as well as a series of accessories, all that support essentially what we call the connected cockpit. The primary function or the primary capability in that connected cockpit is called the AV30. It's a certified device for attitude indicator and directional gyro. It also provides you a multitude of functions well beyond that, all in a very compact 3-inch display that fits in many retro panels. So there's no cutting involved or the like. You basically can upgrade you from a vacuum device to a digital device very, very quickly. Off of the AV30, then, we have a variety of accessories that you can match with it. So some new ones we brought into the show this year are called the AV-APA, which is the AV analog port adapter. And it gives you essentially an analog connection into older autopilots. And that connection then allows you to have your existing autopilot talk to the AV30 and vice versa. The second thing we're bringing is called the AV-HSI, Horizontal Situation Indicator. That is something that will, in experimental, allow you to fly what's called a IFR flight or an instrument flight. So it provides you the necessary tools to be able to do that. And eventually that will be for certified aircraft as well, which is a really big step up for our AV30 product. And the ADS-B world, then we've got our venerable sky beacon and tail beacon. Those are the things that really got us started. They're ADS-B out on 978, which is the universal access transmitter. So that it provides basic capability, and it's really what got us started. Beyond that, then we also have the Tail Beacon X. That provides you global coverage for ADS-B. It's also a full Mode S transponder. So if you pair the Tail Beacon X with the AV30 or two AV30s, you could actually remove the vacuum system from your aircraft, save a lot of weight, and upgrade to a digital capability. So some really exciting stuff that we have here at the show. And what really inspired us to design those products are pilots themselves. We've been in the space now for about 10 years. And in that time, we've got thousands of flight hours that have happened and been flown by both ourselves, because we're pilots too, as well as our customers. And over that time, they've provided great feedback to us. Our installers have provided great feedback, and we know and listen to what our customers are asking for. And one of the key things they've said is, we want to be able to interact with our legacy autopilots. So that was the genesis behind the analog port adapter, the AV-APA. We are innovators. We like to rapidly innovate in order to be able to deliver functionality into the space. And it got started with the tail beacon and the sky beacon. There was a mandate that was out there for ADS-B, and we thought of a very simple way, 3 screws and 3 wires, to be able to upgrade that aircraft and meet that mandate. That kind of sparked a generation of what we do now at uAvionix, which is taking something that's difficult, applying a bit of orthogonal thinking or different thinking, out-of-the-box thinking, touching the edges, whatever you want to use, to really solve the problem a little bit differently with the customer, the end customer's use of that in mind. And we've done great things to be able to deliver that along.